Hello and welcome back to English Station, the place where learning English isn't just about words and grammar. It's about growth, mindset, and building a life you're proud of. Today, you're not just watching another video, you're stepping into a new reality. And if you truly listen, this could be the day that changes your life forever. Let me begin with a question. Be honest with yourself. Are you truly happy with your life right now? If tomorrow was your last day, would you be proud of what you've done? If your answer is no, then hear me clearly. This is your wake-up call. Life doesn't change by accident. It doesn't improve because of luck. The life you want begins the moment you decide to change it. Now, before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any videos. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey together. Stop hiding behind excuses. You've been telling yourself the same stories for too long. I'm too young. I'm too old. I don't have time. I don't have money. But excuses are lies. Lies you tell yourself so you don't have to take responsibility. Do you know why most people fail? It's not bad luck. It's not lack of intelligence. It's because they never take action. They complain about problems instead of solving them. Think about successful people for a moment. Do you imagine they had it easy? Let's take Oprah Winfrey. She grew up in poverty, faced unimaginable pain, and was told countless times she wouldn't succeed. But she didn't accept those limits. She worked, she focused, she persisted, and she became one of the most influential people in history. So what about you? What's really stopping you? The answer is simple, your own mindset. Close your eyes, picture this. You wake up in your dream home. You look out the window and there's your dream car parked outside. Your parents are smiling, free of stress, knowing you've given them security and peace. You've built the life they dreamed of for you. That vision isn't a fantasy, it's possible, but only if you're willing to change. Your habits are either creating your future or destroying it. If you spend hours scrolling on your phone, binging shows, or wasting time with distractions, you're literally throwing away the life you could have. Time is the most valuable thing you own. Once it's gone, you'll never get it back. And here's the truth. The only difference between successful and unsuccessful people is how they use their time. Successful people read, learn, build, create, while everyone else wastes hours on nothing. Think of your parents again. Your mother carried you for 9 months, sacrificed her comfort, her health, and her dreams just so you could live. Your father worked tirelessly to provide food, education, and opportunity. They gave everything for you. Now it's your turn. Imagine handing your mother the keys to her dream home. Imagine your father's tears when you tell him he never has to work again. That's not just about money, it's about gratitude. But make no mistake, success comes at a price. It demands sacrifice. It means getting up early when you want to sleep. It means working while others are out having fun. It means rejecting distractions, embracing discipline, and pushing forward when nobody is watching. There's a famous story about a young man who asked his mentor for the secret of success. The mentor took him into the ocean, held his head under the water until he was desperate for air, and then said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted to breathe, then you'll have it." That's the level of hunger required. Ask yourself right now, how badly do you want it? Look at your circle of friends. Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? Because if you surround yourself with negative, lazy, unmotivated people, you'll end up just like them. Success isn't only about effort, it's about environment. Build a circle that challenges you, inspires you, and forces you to grow. If that means letting go of toxic people, so be it. And here's something vital. Believe in yourself. The world is full of doubters, critics, and haters. They'll tell you you're not good enough. Don't let their words define you. Prove them wrong. Trust your potential. Believe in your ability to achieve anything. Because the truth is, you can. Don't fear failure. Failure is not the end. It's the beginning. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest athletes in history, was cut from his high school basketball team. Did he quit? No. He worked harder, trained longer, and became a legend. Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your teacher. And in the middle of this noisy, distracted world, don't forget silence. Spend time alone. Reflect. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Sit with that question. Talk to yourself with strength. Tell yourself, I am capable, I am strong, I am enough. Your mind is like soil. Whatever you plant grows. If you plant doubt, fear, and negativity, your life will reflect it. If you plant belief, gratitude, and confidence, your life will bloom. Say it with me. I am unstoppable. I can achieve anything. I will build the life I dream of. Repeat it until you believe it. Now, visualization is powerful, but it's not enough. Action is the bridge between dreams and reality. Your mind is your most powerful weapon, but only if you control it. Negative thoughts will come. I'm not good enough. I'll never succeed. What if I fail? But you have the power to say no. I choose better thoughts. I choose belief. Your mind is a muscle. Train it. The more you practice positivity, focus, and resilience, the stronger it becomes. Let me remind you, you already have everything inside you to succeed. The only thing missing is your decision. Want a great job? You can get it. Want to marry the love of your life? You can. Want to travel the world, build wealth, and live freely? Yes, you can. The only person standing in your way is you. So step aside, stop doubting yourself. Stop holding yourself back. Start small, dream big. Success is not built overnight. It's built with small daily actions. 10 minutes of exercise, learning 5 new words, saving just a little money every week. These steps may look small, but they compound into greatness. Remember, a 1,000-mile journey begins with one step. Stop waiting for others to believe in you. Believe in yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and declare, I am improving every day. I am proud of my progress. I will not quit. And while you're chasing your dreams, don't forget gratitude. Every morning, write down 3 things you're thankful for: your family, your health, or simply another chance to live. Gratitude will keep your heart grounded while your ambition takes flight. Now let's get real. Stop settling for average. Why live a life of mediocrity when greatness is possible? Why accept good enough when you can aim for extraordinary? Every day you face a choice: to settle or to strive. Choose to strive. It's okay to dream big. Let people laugh at your goals. Let them call you crazy, because one day the same people will call you inspiring. Stop wasting hours on gossip, distractions, and things that don't build your future. Replace them with habits that fuel growth. Read, learn, create. Invest in your skills until you're world class. Your life is the sum of your daily decisions. Choose discipline over laziness, courage over fear, growth over comfort. And don't underestimate yourself. You can always do more than you think. Every time you want to give up, push a little harder. When you hear yourself say, I can't, replace it with, I can and I will. Take risks. Step outside your comfort zone. Even if you fail, you're ahead of everyone who never tried. And never forget, the clock is ticking. You don't have unlimited time. Stop acting like you do. Live with urgency. One day when you look back, you don't want regrets. You want pride. You're not too young. You're not too old. The perfect time doesn't exist. The perfect time is now. Stop asking why me and start asking why not me. Why can't you be the next entrepreneur, the next creator, the next leader who changes the world? If others can, so can you. Your past doesn't define you. Your circumstances don't limit you. Every day is a chance to reinvent yourself. You are not stuck. You're evolving. Stop blaming others for your situation. Take ownership. Take responsibility. That's the first step to freedom. And when you succeed, let your results speak louder than your words. Don't waste energy proving yourself to doubters. Just work in silence and let success make the noise. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward counts. Success isn't just the big milestones. It's built brick by brick, habit by habit, moment by moment. Here's my final challenge to you. Don't just listen to these words. Act on them. Write down the habits you'll change today. Decide the steps you'll take. This is your life and you only get one. Don't waste it. Dream bigger, work harder, live bolder. The life you want is waiting for you, but you must take the first step. No excuses, no waiting, just action. The road won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Now go out there and make it happen because you are unstoppable. Thank you for watching and learning with us here on English Station, the place where every word and every lesson takes you closer to the life you want. If this video gave you something valuable, share your thoughts below. Tell us about a challenge you faced and how you handled it. Your story could be the light someone else needs. And remember, growth doesn't happen in a single day, but it happens every day you choose to show up. So if you're ready to keep moving forward, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. More powerful lessons are waiting for you. Until next time, stay focused, stay calm, and keep moving forward.